What's up, guys? Mr. 50 Flourish here, and today I wanted to talk about the trades that we took and that I called out on the Discord. And this is going to go in line with to answer some questions that I was getting um, on the YouTube page. Pretty much people asking like, "Hey, how did you get into the trades? Okay, you use these key levels. You do this analysis before the day starts on the 2-hour time frame. Now, how do you get into these trades based on those key levels?" So I wanted to show that real quick, and that is what I'm going to pull up. And by the way, in Tampa, Florida today for the mastermind, so we're going to do a yacht party today, and this is going to be part of the vlog. It's probably in the vlog, but like, share, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Your boy is out here chilling like a villain. This room is actually pretty nice. They got like the fur there, and they give you like free drinks downstairs. It was crazy, crazy. There's like 2 restaurants downstairs. But anyway, sunny Tampa, Florida is looking pretty good. Let me get into this SPY trade. Boom and a boom. All right, load that up, and then let me pull the screen up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, and boom. All right, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna put this camera down. Hopefully it keeps. Okay, so it stays right there. All right, so the boy Mr. 50 Flourish. Let's talk about this this trade. So we're going on the 5-minute time frame, but actually we need to see the 2-hour time frame so I can explain, hey, this is what we were looking for. So going to the 2-hour time frame, again, what I had mentioned, let's take off all these ATRs. What I had mentioned the other day was, oh, like you want to look at key levels, and then I use these key levels and go from there. So for instance, one of the game plan that I actually mentioned in the video where I was explaining how to do stuff, this is the exact game plan I mentioned in the video. So hopefully you took that game plan and you followed it, because that's all I did. Is you got to keep trading simple, and I'm learning that the more I'm trading, the more successful I'm becoming, because I'm keeping it simple. You don't have to do ICT, SMC, all this bull trash. So I literally was like, okay, well, we're in this uptrend on the 2-hour time frame. We held this micro double bottom, big bottom side wicks, which means that there's a lot of buyers in this area. Wicks, 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 wicks. Just a ton of buyers here, right? And I saw like, hey, I was like, hey guys, we held this area. Okay, we held this area really nicely. So we're probably gonna continue micro double bottom. I talked about micro double bottoms in the other video. Micro double bottoms on larger time frames show you buyers and sellers are agreeing that price should not be below that area. Okay, that's all it means. So anyways, so we were hitting this 624.44 level, and we've hit that multiple times, and when we get above that, we kind of fly. So the game plan for the day was, okay, and let me see if we can do a replay. And I'm gonna back it up to here so that you could see, like, okay, this is what I was seeing. This is what I was seeing the night before the 17th. Okay, so this was the 16th. Micro double bottom, bullish, piercing line bar. So this bull bar is coming up more than 50% of this red bear bar. Okay, and we're making a move, and we stopped right at my key level, 624.44. And if you watch the other video, I literally said, hey, if we get down to this level here, what is it, 6, I can't see because it's like blocking me. Okay, 621.40. If we get down to that level, then we're gonna take longs. And if we get down to this level, we're gonna take longs here too, okay? And then if we get above 624.44, we're going long. So how did that work? How did that work out the next day? So the next day, let's go to the 5-minute time frame so you can see how that started out. Okay. So now, oh, and we have a replay. So this is gonna be pretty fire. So okay, so this is the next day. So I'm on live, and everyone's like, okay, Fit, what are we doing today? What are we doing today? I'm like, hey guys, I'm gonna be going long, pretty much immediately if we open up above 624.44. And I use the daily ATRs to kind of see, hey, what's going on. Okay, so this is what happened. Let me hit play. Boom. Boom. All right, so we get our first candlestick, right? This was our first candlestick, and the volume RSI was coming down a little bit, but we were above that key level, and we tested that downside, and then closed above that key level. Now, once we broke above this previous high, I wanted to enter. I think I entered earlier. Actually. Yeah, I think I entered here. So I entered on the open of this the second bar, just because my key level should act as my my stop basically. So the risk to reward here is what I'm looking for. Here it is, go long. So my risk to reward is really what I'm looking for. So my entry was on the open there. And then really if we close below the open, then I know that this play is wrong, but that's such a small risk. And then the reward, there were some targets up here. There were some major targets up here that we hit, but you'll see it in a second. Anyways, it was a pretty big risk to reward. It was like, okay, if we pull back just a little bit and close below that open, then we're below this key level, and then I could just get out, right? But let's take a look at what happened. So I said, hey, I'm entering this play here. So I entered, all right, and let's take a look what happened. Boom, volume RSI curled back up, and we had a disgusting print, okay? Absolutely disgusting print. And everybody made a lot of money. Right? Everybody made a lot of money. And then the second play that I took, so we took those calls at the open. And then again, the day before I had mentioned, hey, the 626 level, it's pretty important, guys, so pay attention. So then we got up there like, oh man, we're probably going to face a lot of resistance here. If we break above this area, then I'm going to probably go long again, okay? So let's kind of see how this played out. Boom, boom. And then I was like, hey, we're gonna go sideways. We went sideways a little bit. We came down, boom, 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 and a boom. 9 and the 20 didn't cross, so we didn't come down. Then we had all right, this is where stuff got interesting, okay? So this is where things got interesting. So we had a double bottom with a neckline. So that's a double bottom neckline break. So I said, hey guys, this is a potential entry here. The only problem with this is if you enter here and then we reject again, then this play's cooked. So I said, I want to wait for a break above this previous high, which would also be a break above this key level. Okay. Then I was like, hey, this is going to be my entry. So I entered right in here because that's the close of this bar. We were holding this key. We tested this key level. We held it. And I said, my stop is going to be at the low of my my bull signal bar because this is the bar that broke out. We retested that breakout, and then let's see what happened. Boom. So we entered here, and yeah, immediate shmoney right there. Yeah, absolute immediate shmoney. So we started making money pretty immediately. Okay, and then this ended up like ripping to infinity. But yeah, I took profit at like 30 something%, something like that. But anyways, yeah. So we stopped sharing. But yeah, anyways, just kind of wanted to show that we're in the vlog right now, in the middle of the vlog, I guess. But yeah, this is how to take longs, or how to take plays using your pre-market strategy, so your pre-market bias. So go watch that video. I'll probably link it somewhere in here or at the end of this video. I'll link that video where I talk about like, oh, this is how I set up the trades for the next day. And then this video right here just showed you, hey, how am I taking action based on that action plan? Like I was like, okay, if we get above 624.44, then I'm gonna go long. And then what do? We open above that. I'm like, okay, like I'm gonna take longs because if we close below it, then I'm out because I know it's gonna come down to the next key level. But if we're opening above it, then that's likely that we're bullish. It's just likely that we're bullish. And you have to look at that on the larger time frame. It's the long bias. Okay. Anyways, it's your boy Mr. Fit to Flourish. I'm outie. Hope you continue to enjoy the vlog. So getting my hair done. Had to get some sushi. Just got the haircut and got the hair done. Ready for the yacht. In the mall right now. About to do a little bit of shopping. I need to get my phone screen fixed though, because I keep dropping my dang phone. But we're about to see what we can do. And I'll take y'all on the Yachty McYacht, killing it. Well, I should have just left the mall after my haircut because I just made a stupid purchase. $3,000 out of the bank. Oh man, well, I deserve it, right? Anyways, let's get to this Yachty McYacht. Here we go. What up, guys? Fit to Flourish here, and on the road, going to a yacht party. But first, I'm going to meet up with my boy Mike, have a dinner at Casa Kami in Tampa. It's going to be a really good time. As you can see, I got the gold on, got the gold fit on, and I rented a luxury car. And when I got to the Enterprise, I mean, shout out to Enterprise. They usually look out, but there were no luxury cars. I was like, bro, are you serious? because I didn't want to take the vet. I don't want to put miles on the vet because I was like, dang, it's like a 3-hour drive, 2.5-hour drive. I'm not gonna put that many miles on the vet, and I'm getting some work done on it anyways. So now I'm in a Nissan, but hey, that doesn't matter. We're still gonna have a good time. We're going to Tampa. Very blessed to be able to go there, have this yacht mastermind meetup, and I'm very excited to meet everyone who is in our team for trading. So it's gonna be really good, having fun meeting everybody for the first time in person. Mike I've met before, and we're gonna link up. I'll show you the dinner, so check it out. Sounds drive. Quesadillas, quesadillas, the margaritas, and water. Sounds dry. Alrighty, just got done with the brunch. I am super duper tired. I'm gonna take a nap, but before I get a nap, I need to go get some liquor for and some drinks for the squad, because we're gonna be having a good time on the yacht. So I want to get that all set, ready to go, and yeah. Let's do that, and then let's go to the hotel and check in and chill. I really feel which one I should get. This one tasted good last time. That one sounds dry.
That was exciting. Yep.
What's your side rate? Welcome to 10K.
10K, baby. Come on, baby. 10K. Shmoney.
So it's like this whole group right here.
Last day in Tampa. I think I like Tampa. I might move out here. It's very tropical, very beachy, but very upscale as well at the same time. Last night we had a blast, too much of a blast, so kind of slept in today. Gonna go pick up the whip and head back to the city where we had a blast overall on the yacht, as you guys saw. Hopefully you learned something about our spy trades and how we fund the yacht. So it's your boy Mr. Fit to Flourish, and I am out. What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr. Fit to Flourish. If you like this content when it comes to trading or fitness or just growing in person, feel free to click any of the links in the bio. So we have a link for our Discord for trading, and that trading Discord, we have a free 3-day trial that's going on. But if you're not someone who really likes trading, or if you want to grow as a person in terms of mindset, your finance, your health, wealth, spiritual fitness, and you like that content, we do have a group specifically tailored to helping men grow. That Discord link is in the bio. We have a free section, and then we have a paid section where we go more in detail and do one-on-ones. If you want to do one-on-ones, again, those links have all the things that you want to see. If you want to see more of this content, you like this content, keep liking, subscribing, and doing all that YouTube-y stuff. Check out the Discords down in the links below. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.